Hello, my name is Mayen Kuir. First of all, I am happy and thank God for this opportunity that I got with the seats of South Sudan. Initially, I wanted to do civil engineering, but because I want to focus on giving back to the society, I changed and I wanted to do economics and statistics. That is just to bring economic development back in our country, because that is what we are focusing on. I want to greet all of you, all members, all sponsors, all contributors and stakeholders of Seeds of South Sudan for this opportunity, and may God bless you. Receive my greeting. God bless. Thank you.